Now, who's that over there? Hmm? Who is that? He looks pretty good right now, huh? Let me show you what he's been doing. Okay. This is what he's been doing while I was paying the bills. Okay. Okay, let's look down here. Keep looking. Now look how clean that is. Look how clean that is. Okay, let's go down. Let's go down. Boom. Here's the beginning of the giant mess. Oh. What happened? Now this was one little, look at that, it's all over. Look at that. Messy, messy, messy. This is what happens when you have a parrot.
Furniture store in the valley for City Posturepedic sales and selection. Buy a new City today, will deliver tomorrow. Will be any tagged or advertised City Posturepedic price.
And he's got just a tiny bit on his place stand, but the majority of it is where? Ernie, let's see how pretty you look in the sunshine. Oh!
The New Year's sale. Don't miss it. Every car insurance company talks about low rates. At Mercury Insurance, more than just talk.
Good morning.
It's the way of life. Take our marketing department, for instance. We keep the temperature a brisk 28 degrees to remind everyone that lower is better.
Oh. Are you exercising? Oops, just a minute. There we go. Are you exercising? Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Oh, such a pretty birdie. What? Oh. Look at that face. There we go. Yes, let's see it again. Come on. Oh, good job. Come on. Do it again. Woo! Go Ernie, go Ernie, go Ernie, go Ernie. Come on. Woo! What you doing? Let's see your handsome face close up. Come on. Oh, look how pretty you are.